স্পিকারের কাছে আবেদন বিরোধী দলনেতার। সরকারের রাজনৈতিক ক্ষমতা আছে, বিরোধী পক্ষেরও দেশবাসীর কথা বলার অধিকার আছে।
এবার বিরোধীরা দেশের শক্তিশালী কণ্ঠস্বর, বিরোধীদের যেন সুযোগ দেওয়া হয়, অর্থাৎ বিরোধীদের যেন এবারে সুযোগ দেওয়া হয় বলার জন্য ওম বিড়লাকে মনে করালেন রাহুল গান্ধী।
The government has political power, but the opposition also represents the voice of India's people. And this time, the opposition represents significantly more voice of the Indian people than it did last time. Speaker, sir, the opposition would like to assist you in doing your work. We would like the House to function often and well. Speaker, sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House. The question is not how efficiently the House is run. The question is how much of India's voice is being allowed to be heard in this House. So the idea, Speaker sir, the idea that you can run the House efficiently by silencing the voice of the opposition is a non-democratic idea.